Elevate data center equipment operations with our 112G products. They support existing standard form factors and performance requirements, designed with flexibility and upgradability in mind. They deliver on crosstalk, return loss, and insertion loss performance. They align with the industry's 112G channel needs, are cost-effective and reliable. Here's the product lineup. Sliver interconnects for SFF TA1002 standardization provide density and robustness, with multiple midboard connectors, card edge connectors, and cable assemblies. Sliver internal cabled interconnects offer a slim interface necessary to facilitate connectivity for 112G applications, fully complying with SFF TA1002 and SFF TA1020. Cabled Strata Whisper backplane connectors for longer channels support 112G PAM4 and 56G NRZ and deliver excellent EMI performance in cabled receptacles. Mini SAS HD connectors and cable assemblies address the needs of SFF 8614 and SFF 8644. They are rated up to 6 gigabits per second and 12 gigabits per second operations for SAS and 16 gigabits for PCI Express, meeting SAS 2.0, SAS 2.1, and SAS 3. CDFP connectors and cable assemblies provide intra-rack PCI Express cabling, supporting 32 gigabits per second and 64 gigabits per second. IT equipment connects with servers for service over 112G networks. To power it all, Busbar products include solutions for server power, switches, wireless, industrial controls, and modular power supplies. 112G per lane I/O solutions work with 800G and lower bandwidth. Manage thermal properties with cage designs and mounts, fitting various forced air and liquid cooling architectures. Choose from a variety of options. Learn more at te.com.